How's it everyone, Grant here, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to pair up your Sony SRS XB21 to your XB20 using wireless party chain mode. And unfortunately you can't pair these both up using the add function in stereo mode, so you can't have one act as the left channel and the other as the right channel for true stereo sound. You can only do that if you have two of the same model, so if you got two XB21s or two XB20s for example, only then can you use that add function for stereo sound. I really wish Sony would allow you to connect two different models in stereo mode, but unfortunately you have to have the same one. They do let you connect it in wireless party chain mode, which will play the same song on each device. It just won't be stereo sound separation. So to do that, we'll just go ahead and turn on the XB21 here. And then we'll go ahead and open up the back flap and press on wireless party chain mode. And turn on the XB20. And then go ahead and press the add and the volume up button at the same time. Hold it down. And that should put that into wireless party chain mode. And so make sure you have the Sony Music Center app from the Play Store or from the iOS App Store if you have an iPhone. Go ahead and open up that app. And now you should see party chain. Tap on that. And now they should be connected up through party chain. And so we should be able to go here and play some music. And the same song should be playing on both speakers here. So there you go, that's kind of what it sounds like in wireless party chain mode. If you could hear that, they sound a little bit out of sync, but the idea is that you're going to have these placed in different parts of your home, and you're able to kind of create like a Sonos type of environment. And so with the speakers far enough away, you're not going to really be able to tell that they're slightly out of sync. This is where being able to add the speakers together and put them into stereo mode would really have them play in sync with a separate left and right channel, which is why I really wish they'd let you do that with different speakers. But if you want to change them together and use them in wireless party chain mode to play the same song and locate the speakers far enough away where people won't really be able to tell that little bit of delay between the speakers, you're going to be fine, and that's really what it's meant to do. So that's kind of how you would do it. It's a little bit convoluted, and it took me a little while how to figure that one out. And it doesn't always work. It took me a few tries, so don't get too frustrated. But generally, once I got it there and got them all paired up into wireless party chain mode, I didn't have too many problems thereafter. So again, if you have any other questions or comments about this or anything else about the speaker, let me know in the comment section. And as always, thanks for watching, everyone.